Hello, hello, beautiful people. So, I think I found why it was so slow, uh, and I think it was in the output or in the stream output. No, video. I had here. Oh fuck, it doesn't show right now, but I have different encoder. There was like X200 something, which I used, and now I'm using, oh, here it is, the QuickSync H264, which should be something hardware, like on an Intel graphics card or whatever, the integrated ones. So hopefully that will work. Right now it looks good. I also downscaled the resolution and other things. I used this guy originally in his video to set it up differently, but didn't really work. But at least I know like how to set up more things in the OBS in case I want to decrease the CPU load further. Okay, and if I have look now in the OBS, well, it still has like 16 or 19% of my CPU, but I don't get the overload message all the time at the bottom. So I'll try to do it this way now, and then we will see. Maybe, it will work. Hopefully. So I don't need you. Close, close, close. Here it was, I think, where I found that I can use the hardware thing. Don't panic, blah blah blah. Where it is? Here, I think. Yeah, the hardware. Yeah, here is. For example, in the following images, you can see option available. QuickSync Extender is good as NVENC for a codec providing you set correctly. Okay, where is it? This and that don't use GPU computing because runs on the CPU and NVENC has dedicated circuit on the GPU chip. Blah blah blah. So I'm supposing like it uses some other hardware, and we will do Java. So first I will do the typing routine. I will try to focus on making at least mistake as possible. Which might be not able with this broken keyboard, but we'll see. Okay. Always. Oh fuck. Uh, come on. Oh, come on. All right. I think I made quite a lot of mistakes. But my computer is not as laggy as it was previously while recording, so this is kind of good. I'll stop this timer and I'll run this guy. And I want the Java Playground. Do I have it open? I do. Okay, so we did the measures, method of the measure class. Yeah, the start and another bullshit. Okay, so methods of the measure class. Start and okay. Study methods. Study methods. Study methods. Review the input a string and return boolean indicating whether or not the pattern is found. public boolean looking at attempts to match the input sequence starting from the beginning of the region against the pattern. Boolean find starts, replacement methods. Okay, I think I don't need those at this moment for my work, so I will skip the rest. And in here I will say this regular expressions. Okay, and I want to also go to the MD file and say that we will go to the next thing, which will be, well, something else. Java methods. All right, whatever. So, come on, paste it. Did I copy it? Okay, now it does it twice. That's freaking cool. Okay, so I'll do this. Okay, and now I will steal the link. I'll steal the link. It doesn't work. That's great. So I'll do it like this. Paste it. Save comment. And skipping the rest. Comment. Okay, and we can start reading. So methods. Java method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. When you call the system.println method, for example, the system actually executes several statements in order to display the message from the console. You will learn how to create own methods with or without return values, invoke method with or without parameters, and apply method abstraction in the program design. Okay, so they are saying just the methods are a bunch of statements. Println is an example. It will do more than one thing, and we will learn with or without. So I thought the functions are called the methods which returns value and methods which don't, but they call here methods both with return, invoke a method, with or without, and supply abstraction program to design. Okay, and I already know this. So creating method, and there's a modifier, return type, stated main input method, and parameter list. Okay, so there's an example, and I say main function. Okay, we will do main function. So I will open the project, and it will not be regular expression. It will be called this will be package, and this will be 19 job. I'll just call it methods. And that's, here we go. And inside of there, I will create Java. Well, it is much faster now recording that. It will say, what it will say, methods, whatever. Okay, and we will do minimum. So we say will take ints. Is this the correct thing? And ints. How do I use the ellipsis in here? Parameter expected, okay. Maybe like this, okay. Ints. And then equals integer max int. Max value, here we go. And then here, when will, if IntelliJ will unfreeze, I will put in a for cycle for each and e in ints. I will do if I is smaller than min, then I say min equals I, and return I. Here we go. Oh, what's the problem in here? Oh, return min. Thank you. Public static void method. Go. And here I'll print it out, the result of that, and I will call minimum with arrays of no. One, two, three, four, minus 5, 100, like so. Okay, and it complains. Oh, int. Oh fuck! I forgot how to do that. That was array from. It's array from, I think. Arrays. Of? No. I forgot how it was. Programming J. So, okay. Okay. course you care. You don't. And age is in this. Okay, so maybe I can do this. I can just put it inside of this, guys. Now, okay, fuck that. Equals, go here. Non-static, okay. Public, static. There we go. And I should get -5. There we go. Yeah, so this is how you do it. And the format is you have the modifiers, then the return value, name, and parameters, right? So still, how could it be initialized? There was a oh well, whatever. Yeah, method calling. Okay, so here is modifier, return type. The modifier could be more. Defines the access type of the method. And it is optional to use. Method body, we all did it, we know how it works. Then we pass in the parameters. There are some examples. The void keyword return means it returns nothing. Passing parameters by value. Okay, so while working under calling process, arguments to be passed should be in the same order as their respective parameters. Parameters can be passed by value or by reference. Passing parameters by value means calling the method with a parameter. Through this, the argument value is passed to a parameter. The following program shows an example passing parameter by value. The values of the arguments remain the same even after the method invocation. Okay, so we will test that. And we will say right here, I'll say set passing by value. Then here we will have come on. Oh, it froze again. Static and parameter as value, and this one will be, it will take int I And inside of there, we will say I plus equals 1. I'll change that and print out the I. And it is static, it will not be int, it will be void. That means it will return nothing. So now it should be okay. Now we say and I will create the variable in here if IntelliJ lets me again. It's slow again. I don't know why. What can I kill? There's a lot of things, so I'll go all of those. Why? Okay. What else? Oh, I killed some tabs. So here I say int I equals 1, and I will print it, the I, then I will call the parameter as value, and I will put in I, and I will print out the I again. And it should not change the I in this scope. It should be still 1. Then it will print 2 and so on. But I think we can create an object. And yeah, and that will I can pass in as we can pass in the reference, which will be I will say static void parameter as reference, and I say integer I in here, and I say I is equals 1, and I'll print it out so that maybe that will change, because now it's will it do unboxing or not? I don't know. So I'll try. So I say integer I come on equals 1, then I'll print it out. So I call parameter, whatever, I, and then I'll print out the I again, format, run it. So I kind of expect it would be 1 to 2, and it's not. Okay, so we need to do something, and that something will be here creating my object, and that will have, okay, so here class my object, and it will have a public int number, public int number. Okay, cool. Then we will construct, we will do the constructor. Oh, come on. Constructor with this, yeah, and I want toString as well. Yeah, that's guy. Okay, cool. And I go back, and here I will say this will be my object. No, that was with capital. Oh fuck! I need to rename it. Go back. Then we'll switch here, and my object will be renamed to capital M. Okay, cool. So here this will be you are my object. I'll pass in 1 to 3 and extract it to a variable. And I say my object in here. Here I will do that as well, and here I do that as well. My object. Okay. And then I go to the definition of this guy, and that will take the my object, sure, and here I will say object dot number plus equals 1, and I will print out the object in here, and that should be it. So what is this parameter as? Oh fuck! I modified the wrong thing. So I'll go back. And okay, that is good. Here, this one. My object obj dot number plus equals 1 obj. Here we go. Then this is not parameter, it should be parameter. Okay, and this one as well. Cool. Go here, parameters value, so we'll say parameter as reference object. Okay, and now I expect 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 4. Yep. Okay, so, and we are over the time limit. So, means we are done. That is better than perfect. And, oh, wait, I will say method overloading, for example. I will do next. So, I go to the MD file here, and here I say that you continue in method overloading in Java methods. Okay, and I commit. And this will be, say, in progress, and name will be methods, like so, and commit. All right, we are done. Done is better than perfect. See you next time. Bye.